So we want to bring her to you today so you can see how beautiful she is and to let you know that she wants to come to Ghana to visit. Is that right, Mom?
I will. 26.
2026?
About 26 sometime.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it was going to be that soon.
Well, when the house gonna be finished, that's when I'm coming.
Well, that's what you need to say that to them. You're coming when?
I'm coming when the house is finished.
And you think the house will be finished in 2026? What do you
It
think?
should be.
Amen.
101-year-old American wished to visit Ghana, guys. The way people are expressing their feelings of loving Ghana is going crazy. Like, seriously, 101-year-old want to visit Ghana before she die. This is to let you know how unique and how beautiful, how accommodating, and how pure Ghana and Ghanaians are. If not, why would an 101-year-old woman think of coming to Ghana to do? For what? Well, before we watch the video, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share this video. Also, do want to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's get right into it. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? Hey. It's us, Brenda
And Doc, and this is the Belchers. What is this on YouTube? This
the
is
Belchers Appreciative Vibe. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Wherever you are on the planet, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. We're glad that you're here with us. Thanks for being here.
You remember the last video we did, we said that we had been away so long and that we were taking care of some business and doing some other things, and that when we come back to you guys, we were going to have a big surprise. Surprise! It's my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Hi there.
So, Mom, if you guys know us, you've heard us speak of my mom, and we're here in Dallas, Texas, and Mom became here for Mom's 101 birthday, and so we thought we should let our YouTube family know who she is. She's something else, you guys. She's really something else. So we want to bring her to you today so you can see how beautiful she is and to let you know that she wants to come to Ghana to visit. Is that right?
I will. 26.
2026?
About 26 sometime.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it was going to be that soon.
Well, when the house gonna be finished, that's when I'm coming.
Well, that's what you need to say that to them. You're coming when?
I'm coming when the house is finished.
And you think the house will be finished in 2026? What do you
It
think?
should be.
Amen.
She said it should be. So she has been talking about coming to Ghana.
Yeah, I want to visit.
She wants to visit. At 101, she wants to get on that plane. And then you guys know it's a 12, 13-hour flight. And she says she can do it. If she says she can do it, she can do it. And if she says she will, and she will be coming.
Yeah. And
So-
we have volunteers who are willing to travel.
Everybody want to travel with her, right? So they can get there.
Yeah.
They can get there. But we were the caregivers of for Mom for about how much? 12 years, maybe 10 or 12 years, Mom.
Huh?
How long did we have you?
12. No, just about 12. We came in 2012. So about 11 years, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just about 11 years.
Yeah, and then we did share with Mom that I did share with Mom that we would eventually move to Ghana. She was all gung ho, yeah, okay. And when it got down to the wire, she said to me, "I don't think I want to move to Africa." And the reason why is because I'm not the special child. She has a special son. No, all of us are special in her eyes. But she knew that it was more of them here. We are her lifeline. And so
The siblings.
we, the siblings, the grandchildren, and everybody, great-grandchildren, the great-great-grandchildren, are here. So she didn't want to take herself from here to come to Africa and all of them here. But I understood. But I knew that I would see my mom. I knew I would see her once a year. And we do come back once a year, and we have a big celebration with family.
Big celebration.
Celebration, huh?
At 25th, 24. Oh, that was the big stuff. That was a big stuff.
Yeah, that was your 100.
That was your 100.
That 100.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And people from all over the United States.
All over the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all from all over the world.
That's right. We're international.
Yeah.
So, well, tell us you've had 7 children.
7 children, and 1 passed in 2006.
Okay, that was our oldest brother.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the oldest brother.
So
And then I've been with these 6 for the last 3, 4 years. Yeah, the last 3 or 4 years.
so
And I travel since, I did a lot of traveling. I've traveled around by 11 states at 100 years old and fly by myself.
All right.
you're very independent, aren't you?
Yeah, and still independent.
That's right. That's right. You are. You are.
Yeah.
So how many grandkids do you have? Do you know?
Oh, no.
Not you know.
I can sit down and count them, but I don't know how many Roger and they got here, there. So,
But you have lots of grandchildren, great
great
grandchildren.
grandkids. Yeah, because I just go from Kia on down and think about Shanna, my granddaughter, Kia, my great granddaughter, then Kia, I got 2,
So the great.
Great.
Yeah. So she is great.
and come along with the boys the same way.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Like Wilma, Tom, I'll say Wilma, Tom children, got children.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, so it's just down the generation.
So when we get together for family, with family period, it's a crowd. I mean, a small crowd is what, 40 or 50 maybe. But
it's that.
It's a lot. It's a lot. Mom's been around since 1925, right? 25, 1925. Your birth year.
This year,
What's your birth year? When were you born?
24.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Because
1920.
that's when I was 100 last year.
Oh, that's right, Mother. I just forgot. I'm not doing the math right. So anyway, she is in the, and this woman cracks me up because even after she turned 101 in August, she'll start counting down and say, well, I don't have but 10 more months and I'll be 102. so she counts the months down to the wire.
Yeah,
But hopefully we'll get you to Ghana. Yeah, we'll get to Ghana. You'll get to Ghana when the house is finished.
okay, all right, that'll be fine.
But
I'll be there.
and we'll have a huge party. So
Oh, yeah.
everybody that knows us and yeah, they'll be there.
When you get to Ghana, what kind of things would you like to see or do?
You know, I never had that in mind
You know,
because I don't know much about the
country.
the country.
Mhm.
So it's anywhere where I haven't been. I know I haven't been there.
Right,
So
Right.
I don't have no special place.
right,
All right.
right.
Yeah.
Then that's, the expectations will be exceeded because they are done. It's, yeah, then that's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we wanted you guys to meet her
And I have my wheelchair right there.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
over the rocks, you guys. Can you
Yeah.
imagine a wheelchair? Well, where we are in Cape Coast, and a wheelchair is really something else.
Yeah.
So that is one of the reasons why we will have a big celebration, so that everybody can come. Because Mother doesn't
around.
she doesn't get around, and of course the area where we live is the
It's
infrastructure.
not comfortable for the road
Right,
ride.
the infrastructure is not that great,
Yeah.
but we'll get her where she needs to be. We'll make sure that she see the main things
Yeah.
and everything. So, what do you think about this house we're building? What do you think about the house that we're building?
Oh, I think it's gonna be wonderful.
You think?
Especially if I'm gonna have a special room for me.
Yes. Well, you do have a special room.
With lots of windows.
Yeah, you have a special room. You have your bathroom already in your room. You don't have to go out to it. You have a suite. So good. Yeah. So and you don't have to worry about anything. Just come and enjoy yourself. And that's it.
I will.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be there.
Yeah. So
Me and Kit, Yana.
yeah, but they'll be fighting over whoever would be taking you there. But Johnny said
Tell
we
her she
should-
better be saving her money because I got mine.
okay.
Although what little children gonna give me, but I have to put some with
Wait,
it. you know.
y'all. So we have to do a GoFundMe for her.
Say what?
I told her we have to do a GoFund you. That's where they put the thing out to raise money to do things.
Oh no.
Oh, you don't want to do that?
Nah.
You know, Mother will let us do that. She would let us do it too. She
Well,
would-
you know, the Eric's brother
Mhm.
already sent the first down payment on me a trip.
Oh,
Somebody got, I don't know, brother, somebody got
Mhm.
Yeah.
Somebody has money.
$100
Uh-huh.
for my first trip.
Okay.
All right.
So that's the first one.
All right.
You know
So-
that, but see, Shannon and Monique, Shannon and Megan were supposed to get the trip going.
Mm-hmm. She's
Yeah.
supposed to organize it.
Yeah.
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 Fun.
All right.
They'll get. You'll get
Yeah,
it.
I ain't worried about it.
I know you're not.
You know what Bubba said? If they don't, you remember that 5,000 you got?
Mother. Don't start talking about your money.
No,
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
told me.
yeah. This
He
is
said, if
the world is going to see this. But they
700
don't
and
want
some
to tell
people,
them that.
770 some people are
Yeah.
going to see this.
Oh,
Yeah.
We don't want to tell them all our business.
oh, man.
Don't give them too much of the business.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
But so she's seen that she's been following videos of the progress of the house, and I've been having a hard time because she'll say, "Is that how they did?" I said, yes, ma'am. And it's hard for her to understand the cultural differences
Yeah,
because here in building a house, she's had nieces and nieces, a lot of nieces last year that built homes, and she was on them the same way. But she told me, I just haven't seen anybody that build houses is slow. What they do in Africa, I said, well, mother, it's different. It's really different.
It's
It
different.
really is. It's
Yeah.
really, really different. But I know she's going to love it. And we are going to have a video for you probably in a week or so.
okay.
Yeah, in a week or so.
All right.
Yeah, for her. First video goes to
You
her.
know, I have so many people doing my phone. I had you and Bud picture on my phone.
Mhm.
Anytime I open up there, both of y'all, somebody has stripped it off.
Well, I'll put it back on before I leave. I'll make sure that
I don't know. I don't even see it down in there.
I'll find it, mother. I'll find it. She likes to look at her buddy here and myself.
Yeah.
Is she?
But there's so many people use my phone. I mean, no, I don't mean use it.
Try to help
They
them.
want to do something for me, and when I know they're going to strip something off.
Oh.
I couldn't hear the Bud.
Other night.
Yeah. At Lemons, at Weapons House.
Okay. Hey, y'all. She's dealing with an iPhone at 101. So
Well,
so
you know, I pray every night. As long as I stay on this earth, I be praying. Let me keep a good mind.
Mhm.
I pray that.
Mhm.
So I can think for myself. You know, some people my age don't think for themselves.
Right.
Yeah. Well, so far you're on track.
I don't let them get too much by me.
Yeah.
Well, they got this by me. They got me here.
Yeah.
And then they say, nobody told me nothing about coming and staying with you or nothing.
Okay. You know what?
Our
We're
business,
not-
yeah.
yeah.
But
Well, she,
they don't get too much by me, though.
Where's the editor?
anyway, you know, if you have any questions, we won't have her back on you. Not unless I find a way to do a video from here.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to do that, but I can find.
Yeah.
But this is my mom. Her name is Mender,
And I
Mrs.
love y'all.
Mrs. Mender R. Thomas. And Mom, and you, we're gonna maybe in the next video we'll talk about more about Grandma and everything. But I just need you guys to know this is the best mom that you could ever have. I love her so much. She has been my right hand, my back. She's just been there for me. I think I was probably a real unique kid for her because I always brought her things that nobody else brought, you know. And she would go, "You doing that?" But she was there. She was just there for me.
No, not
And-
you.
Yes, me. And I just want you guys to know how much I love her, and I appreciate her. And I just want to give her some roses today. So I want to bring her to you to show you how beautiful she is and how
And
much.
let me tell y'all something.
Oh, excuse me.
This man
Oh Lord.
Mhm.
is closer as my own son.
Oh.
Well, thank you.
He couldn't treat. Look, Baba can't do as much as he did.
Oh, I hope Bubba doesn't see this video. That's
but
my
you know what
brother.
I mean? That's close.
Yeah,
But
I
Bud
was-
had did a
yeah.
wonderful job. So I mean,
Ooh,
I tell you.
okay.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
But we're not gonna let my brother see this because he's he's having some issues right now. They're not serious, but he always tell his brother-in-law, "Well, man, she places you before me." We are not gonna let him see this
I
video.
said, just physically, I was closer.
Yeah,
That's
physically.
all.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
And I love all y'all.
yeah. Wave at him and tell him you'll
Wait,
see him
yeah.
later. Okay. All right, Mom.
I love you.
I love you too, you guys.
Bye-bye,
And
everybody.
so don't forget to.
Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, this is the Belcher's Appreciative Eye on YouTube. Take good care, everybody.
Peace out. Wave. Bye. 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 See you guys later. Bye.